Are you searching for a reliable desktop repair service in Cape Coral? Look no further than Cape Coral Desktop Repair Service, your local computer repair experts. Whether your desktop is running slow or facing hardware issues, we have the solutions you need. Our skilled technicians are ready to tackle any computer problem. For your convenience, we offer on-site service at your home or office. No need to disconnect and transport your desktop. We come to you. Why choose Cape Coral Desktop Repair Service? We provide fast and reliable service, affordable pricing, and personalized support tailored to your specific needs. Our expert repairs cover a wide range of issues, including software problems, hardware malfunctions, virus removal and protection, data recovery, and more. We ensure your desktop runs smoothly. Curious about the cost? Contact us for a free, no-obligation quote. We aim to provide transparent pricing and exceptional service. Don't let a malfunctioning desktop slow you down. Call us today at 239-421-8187 and experience the difference with Cape Coral Desktop Repair Service. Visit Cape Coral Desktop Repair Service. Come for more information.